Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards end of the month every month. If this reading doesn't resonate with you, Sagittarius, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. Or you can also check on the description box. I've put up the link for Sagittarius love reading as well as general reading for the month of June. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into your reading here, Sagittarius. The first card that I've got for you here is the Eight of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Page of Cups coming out for you here. And the bottom of the deck I've got for you is the Seven of Wands. So you could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could also be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here. I do feel like there could be a significant age gap between the two of you here, Sagittarius. If not, this could also be an indication of some kind of an immaturity surrounding the situation between the two of you here. I do feel like this is coming up from your person, in a sense that I do feel like your person has come to this realization that they've been acting up quite immature here during your relationship here. And with this Seven of Wands energy and the Eight of Wands energy here, I'm definitely getting progress. So I'm definitely sensing that your person at this point of time, what they want to tell you here, Sagittarius, is that I do feel like they are currently going through transformation, and I do feel like with this transformation, I do feel like they are progressing. I do feel like the message that I've got for you here is perseverance. So I do feel like your person is actually keep on working, like I've decided to just keep on working and working on themselves, like bettering themselves, putting up self-love, healing any childhood trauma, any past wound, any past trauma, any family issues or upbringing. Basically I'm getting that your person is actually healing. It's basically your person is going through a transformation here. And with this Seven of Wands energy, what they want to tell you here is that I do feel like they've come to this realization that both of you have this soul connection here, Sagittarius, and they basically have come to this realization that the connection here is basically going to, is basically like bettering themselves up here. And with this Eight of Wands energy, I do feel like they definitely wants to communicate with you, or at least they basically wants to tell you of how they're progressing. And they feel like when they tell you that, they kind of get the sense that you will be proud, or you basically will be happy seeing the way they are transforming here, Sagittarius. The next card that I've got for you here is Page of Swords, the Chariot, and the Three of Pentacles coming up here for you. Let me move it a little bit. Alright, so with this Page of Swords energy, you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. If not, this Page of Swords is also an indication towards me that they're basically trying to be calculating here. I do feel like at this point of time, they're just basically like going through transformation, as well as they're also improving their throat chakra here. So I do feel like when both of you were together here, Sagittarius, I don't think the communication were okay, or basically that could be some kind of miscommunication, or miscommunication could actually be prominent. This is could actually one of the reason leading up to your separation here. And I do feel like your person is also currently working hard on this throat chakra. I do feel like they're also basically realizing that their throat chakra is quite blocky, and I do feel like they have decided to just work on that as well. And with this Page of Swords energy, I'm definitely getting that they're kind of being calculating here. So I do feel like they're also coming up from the place of a little bit fearful of how you will react when they reach out that kind of energy here. So I won't be surprised if this person is actually stalking you on social media, or just watching your every move, could be asking about you through mutual friends, or even just like driving past your house here, Sagittarius. I do feel like they're basically like watching you, in a sense that they kind of want to know like what are you doing, like basically they want to keep a tab about you, so they just know how to approach you or how to initiate the conversation here, Sagittarius. I do feel like many of you will be hearing from this person in the month of June to August, with this 7 to 8 here. I do feel definitely I do feel definitely the month of June moving to the month of August is where many of you will be hearing back from this person. And I do feel like when this person comes back towards you with this Chariot card, I do feel like they're coming back with an intention to start a committed relationship with you. Basically they're coming back as a changed person here, Sagittarius. Yeah, this is what I mean with this Three of Pentacles. So once they come towards you, they basically say that they want to restart this relationship, moving into a much more stronger, much more stable ground. So I do feel like once they come back here, I do feel like they're basically going to say that they've realized the mistake, and they're basically like using this time in separation to transform themselves here, and they want to have a committed relationship with you, and they basically have decided to actually put an equal work, equal give and take will be there between the two of you here, Sagittarius. With this Three of Pentacles, I'm also getting that there is a possibility of marriage coming up for both of you in the future. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Six of Swords, which is an indication towards me there could be a distance between the two of you here, either physical distance or emotional distance. If there is a physical distance, I do feel like this person is going to travel to see you here. If not, this is just basically the general idea that you're basically going to move from this rough water into a much more calmer water here. And the next card that I've got for you here, the High Priestess, as well as the Wheel of Fortune. So I do feel like you are definitely highly intuitive person here, Sagittarius, and I do feel like this kind of message, like I do feel like you have also realizing the shift that is actually going through your person mind or your person life here. So I do feel like with this High Priestess, you just basically need to trust your gut feeling more, need to trust your intuition more here, Sagittarius. And with this Wheel of Fortune, what I'm getting here is that there is definitely a luck coming in your favor, in a sense that I do feel like the Wheel of Fortune, or basically the Wheel of Time, is basically turning to be in your favor here, Sagittarius. So let's close up the reading with advice card. What is the advice card? Wow, I've got the Page of Cups coming up here again. So you could be dealing with someone with a strong water sign coming up here, and I do feel like also that could be a really significant age gap. If not, that could be some kind of immaturity surrounding this situation here. Wow, the next card that I've got for you is the King of Cups. So I'm definitely sensing a strong water sign here. I do feel like finally they've come to this realization. As you can see here, they're basically transforming from the Page to the King here. So when at first they're coming up with this Page energy, like it's kind of like, as you can see here, the foundation with these two cards, the King of Cups coming up with a strong foundation here. So this is what the transformation that your person had actually been going through here. So the commitment or the offer that they're basically going to offer you here, Sagittarius, is basically going to be much more stronger, much more solid, much more stable foundation, or much more stable offer here, Sagittarius. That's definitely a really good reading here. Lots of transformation going on with your person here, Sagittarius. So let's close up the reading with channel message. The channel message for Sagittarius, please. The first channel message that I've got for you here is, I know I made a mistake and insecurities. So I do feel like the separation between the two of you here is basically more likely due to insecurities. This is where I do feel like insecurities and immaturity is coming up quite strongly here in your reading. So I do feel like both of you are basically coming up to this realization that, okay, I've made a mistake, and there are lots of insecurities or immaturity surrounding this situation here coming up here. Oh, I forgot to tell you that the bottom of the deck here is the Seven of Wands. So as you can see here, your person is definitely working on bettering themselves, on basically like transforming themselves here to this King of Cups energy. So they basically can give you the emotional assurance that you needed here, Sagittarius. And overall, I'm definitely sensing that they're finally coming up to this realization that they've made a mistake. Even though at this point of time there is a communication blockage between the two of you, I do feel like coming the month of July to the month of August, I'm definitely sensing that the communication blockage will be reducing, that both of you will be communicating here. I do feel like your person is definitely going through transformation after they are realizing their mistake, and they're basically going to fix these insecurities. They're basically going to heal their insecurities and immaturity here, Sagittarius. Alright, so that's it for your June 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.